Guys, something terrible has happened. Beyonce still hasn't released Lemonade on Spotify. But seriously, some shit went down the other night. Like hella down. Down low. Lower than I can even slut drop. Which is really low. So basically, I got hacked. My computer and my social media both got hacked. Were they related incidents? I don't know. So basically what happened was, I was on my bed on my computer looking up conspiracy theories when my phone got a message from Facebook saying someone tried accessing my account from a different device. So I quickly pulled up my pants and turned off my conspiracy theories and went to Facebook, but I was logged out. So I quickly logged in and a thing popped up asking me for verification. And so once I'd done all of that, it asked to confirm whether it was me or not that was trying to log in from somewhere in China. Obviously I said no and changed my password, but it doesn't end there. Then I get an email from Instagram saying the exact same thing. I've been logged into some other device. So I head to my Instagram, I log in, change my password, and then I sit back and relax. And then I thought, my YouTube. Thankfully they hadn't hacked it just yet, but I changed the password for that just in case. And then this takes me to the next day. I thought everything was all good and I could finally relax. And then my computer security software pops up with a message saying, someone is using your IP address. What's an IP address? I don't know. But as I was reading that, my webcam light turned on and I was like, shit, I'm being watched. So I did what any other normal person would do in that sort of situation. I gave them a free webcam naked lap dance. I'm still unsure whether that's actually fixed now or not, but I think I'm just gonna have to buy myself a new computer. So make sure you share this video so I can get some of that YouTube money. And by the way, there was actually no live footage, that was just for the clickbait. Well, I told you I need that YouTube money. So make sure you click subscribe if you haven't already, because I post new videos every week. Leave me a comment, tell me something fun, and I will comment back to you. And I will see you bitches in the next video. Adios, bitches. Ow. What just happened?